Ndiyabeva abantu mna besithi Eastern Cape this, Eastern Cape that. Kula ma-matric results la kuba Eastern Cape number last. Ye man, ni-expect abantwana base-Eastern Cape bapase njani kodwa bathi befunda ngapha badlwengulwa kwangotitshala besikolo. Expect uba bapase njani, bazofokhasa kanjani esikolweni ngapha abantwana bathi xa besiya esikolweni abantwana bahambe 10 kilometers to 20 kilometers ukuya esikolweni. Uba kunethile iyaphela iveki umntana engayi esikolweni ngoba kaloku akakwazi uwela umfula or akakwazi uwela umlambo ngoba cause bridge. Imeko pha Eastern Cape imbi kakhulu ezikolweni, imbi kakhulu. So ni-expect ukuthi abantwana bapase kanjani. Ndiyayiva le yoba kusithwane hayi Eastern Cape this, Eastern Cape that. Hayi guys, bayazama kangangoko banako, bayazama abantwana base-Eastern Cape kangangoko banako. Imbi into epha if ungwase-Eastern Cape uzoyazi le nto ndiyithethayo into yokubana aba bantwana bayazama. Eastern Cape yayikade ihamba koma-40 something 50 something iphela apho. Kunzima ufika ku-60, kunzima ufika ku-60. The only thing esingaske siyenze thina kukhuthaza abantwana bethu even ootitshala especially male teachers ke ziyeke le nto yongena abantwana besikolo, mazike zibe ngabazali zifundisa abantwana bazifile safe esikolweni. No government wethu obviously kumele enze kangangoko anako into yokubana azama uphucula isimo sezikolo zase-Eastern Cape, indlela, i-bridge, yonke nje laa nto.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Nangibhoda ukukhuluma ngendzaba yabantwana base-Eastern Cape ukuthi baphume number last as a class of 2025 ku-matric kuwo onke ama-province la khona la South Africa. So uyasho ukuthi bayophasa njani bantwana base-Eastern Cape balola ngibotishele etikolweni. Sinokubona ama-incidents oma-cases lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana bantwana barepota ukuthi botishela bayabahlukumeza etikolweni lapha e-Eastern Cape, bafuna kulala nabo, bayabashela. Hey guys, hlezi babati expose atikolo lapha e-Eastern Cape because botishela bakhona nje umntwana esikolo babona yena obabona intombi nje, babona i-girlfriend. So uyasho ukuthi bantwana batophasa njani etikolweni. Kwenteka lokho etikolweni letiningi lapha na e-Eastern Cape. Akaqenanga lapho lo bhuti uphunze waqhubeka wakhuluma indzaba yokuthi lapha e-Eastern Cape ayikho intuthuko njena into lengekho lapha e-Eastern Cape. Kungako bantwana bangaphasi kahle nasetikolweni, abanye bangaphasi isidalo laphana etikolweni. What's your take wena ngalokho lokuqedwa ukukhulunywa ngulo bhuti? Do you agree with him or hlampe wena you disagree with him? Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.